Father God, I can't do this on my own. And so I call out to you today. Come and help me, Lord. I need you. Rennay Victory said.